So now I'll discuss the pair of angles. In pair of angles, there are 5 types of angles present. What are they? Now, adjacent angle, linear pair of angles, vertically opposite angles, complementary angles, supplementary angles. What I'll discuss one by one by showing the figure. What is the adjacent angle? I'll draw one angle here. This is an angle. I'll name it as A, B and C. In this angle, two angles having one common arm. If I'll take one common arm as D, BD is the common arm, and one common vertex and one common arm. So where it is? Now this is the vertex, one common vertex where the two angles are formed. Just look at here. ABD is an angle and DBC is an angle. These two angles formed are known as adjacent angle. And they are not part of each other. This is very important. Not a part of each other. Why? If I consider another angle, if this is A, B and C. Sorry, I'll point here. Give the point. This is A, B and C. And I'll take this AB is the common arm. I'll draw another arm as ABD. So, ABC is not adjacent to C, not adjacent to CBD angle. They are not the adjacent angle. Understood? Because see, the adjacent angle is nothing but two angles having one common arm and one common vertex, but they are not part of each other. That is very important, but not part of each other. Just this, from these two figure, you can figure 1. This is figure 1 and this is figure 2. From these two figure, we can find out here this ABD is adjacent to DBC angle, but here ABC is not an adjacent angle of CBD, because here this angle is a part of this angle and this angle is a part of the whole angle. So they are not adjacent angle. So adjacent angle are those two angles having one common arm and one common vertex, but they are not part of each other because they are distinct angles. This angle is not related with this angle. They are distinct angles, but here this angle is a part of this whole angle. So these are not adjacent angle. This is not a adjacent angle. This is a adjacent angle. So next we will go for linear pair of angles. The adjacent angles whose non-common arms are the opposite rays. I'll just write the figure. This is a figure. Now I have written this. I'll write as a, this is A, this is point B, this point is C and this point is D. So here what it is adjacent angles whose non-common arms. This is an adjacent angle. These are two adjacent angles. Here is the common arm, but non-common arms. Where these are the non-common arms. BC and BD are the non-common arms because AB is here no common arm. these two angles are adjacent angle. This angle is adjacent to this angle. But here these two adjacent angles are whose non-common arms are just opposite to each other. These are the opposite rays. Just BC is opposite to BD. Where this type of diagram you will find these are known as the linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. ABC is a linear pair of angles of DBA. Because the condition is the DBC angle is equal to 180 degree. It is a straight angle. They will form a straight angle because these opposite rays, this BC rays is just opposite of BD. So these opposite rays will always create 180 degree. So the linear pair of angles are those the adjacent angles whose non-common arms are the opposite rays, and they will form always straight angle, that is 180 degree. So next we will go for vertically opposite angles. If the two lines intersect each other, if I will take this is AB line segment or AB line, and this is CD line. This is CD, and they will meet at O. So this at this point they will create vertically opposite angle. This angle is vertically opposite to this angle, and this angle is vertically opposite to this angle. Why? Now two angles formed by two intersecting lines. The two intersecting lines are AB and CD. AB is a line, CD is a line. The two intersecting lines, two angles are formed by two intersecting lines without any common rays. Here no common rays are there, but having a common vertex. That is O. So these are COB angle is equal to, and this vertically opposite angles are always equal. So COB angle is equal to AOD angle, and BOD angle equal to AOC angle. So these vertically opposite angles are equal each other, are always equal. Complementary angles. Sum of the measures of any two angles is 90 degree. So how the figure it will be? If I draw 190 degree and I will make it into two angles, this angle is complementary to this angle. I will name it A, B, C and D. So ABD angle is complementary to DBC angle because the sum of these two angles is nothing but this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. When the sum of these two complementary angles is 90 degree, then this angle is complementary to this angle. ABD angle is complementary angle to DBC angle, and DBC angle is complementary angle to ABD angle. Just remember, sum of the measure of any two angles is 90 degree. So if I draw here one angle is AB, ABC, this angle is 46 degree, and another angle if I draw, this is PQR, and this is 44 degree. This is 44 degree. If this is ABC angle is 46 degree and PQR angle is 44 degree, then ABC angle is complementary to PQR and PQR is complementary angle of ABC. So they are complementary to each other. So now the next last one is supplementary angles. So this angles will be, if I'll draw one linear pair of angles, then that is the best example of supplementary angle. And this is A, B, C and D. So ABD angle is supplementary angle of DBC angle. These are supplementary angle. If I'll draw separately, if I'll take this angle A, B, C, angle is 49 degree, then this angle PQR is 131 degree. So PQR will be 130 degree. If the sum of these two angles is 180 degree, then you are getting the supplementary angle. This BAC angle is supplementary angle of PQR and PQR angle is supplementary angle of BAC. So 131 degree is the complementary angle of 49 degree and 49 degree is complementary angle of 131 degree. So all the linear pair of angles are the supplementary angles, but the reverse is not true. The supplementary angles need not to be the linear pair of angles. Understood? All the linear pair of angles are supplement with each other, but all the supplementary angles are not the linear pair of angles. So now we have discussed what the adjacent angle, linear pair of angles, vertically opposite angles, complementary angles and supplementary angles. The remaining concepts will be discussed in the next video. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my new uploads on other topic. If you are understanding all the concepts, like my video and share with your friends to get the benefits, and most importantly, don't forget to ask doubt in my description box where you will get my WhatsApp link. Thank you.